When I first started selling at this flea market, oh my goodness, the line would be stretched all the way around here. This was 15 years ago. Fight to get in that parking lot. Never would you make it this close. And my, have times changed. I keep telling y'all resellers, the flea market is going out of business. You don't have to believe me. We move farther and farther from a cashless society. Most of us who truly buy, we don't want to buy for cash and not have a write-off. But anyway, regardless, I used to sleep in this line every night to sell here, guys. That's where my business and my career started. I would get to those yellow arches right there at 11 at night when they stopped serving tickets for the drive-in, and then I would sleep in line till 6 a.m. when they opened up. But today, we're above all that. We are going picking. We have moved forward. We're not even much of a flea market vendor no more. We have like become a straight wholesale provider slash online reseller. We use the flea market for just getting rid of stuff. All right, here we go, guys. Sunday morning, coffee in hand, my trusty steed, and we are going to make some money. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited? What are we gonna pick? Comment below right now. What are we picking this morning? What are we looking for? How much profit margin? Are we going for doubles? Do we only want triples? Do we only want quadruples? Remember, a double is buying $1 item turning into 2. That don't sound very profitable, does it? Doesn't.
All right, there's 10 bucks out of 40. There you go, thank you. All right, we got one shot left.
Yep.
There you go, and good day.
Thank you.
Right on.
Have a good day. Take this $1.75 off of entry, because they got me. They got me last year on taxes, and I am on point now. Let's go. What's in here?
What's going on, Michael?
Hi, Steven. How much are your pans?
Prices are on, I think.
Oh, I see now.
Roaches.
Roaches? I usually only find cockroaches in my boxes. So this one's $15?
Yeah.
I'll take that one. Oh, this one's been through. This one's been through a hacking back.
Yeah.
Just like
I don't want to hold it. Just kind of look at it. I like catching that.
I'm gonna get this one too. That one says 16 on it. You have chain?
What do you got?
40 bucks.
And how much are you owe me?
15 and 16.
So 31.
You like to collect them too, or?
No, I just
Buy 'em,
resell
resell 'em?
stuff, yeah. They all seem like older, nicer ones, but
Yeah, I like to. I'll get a few here. We found several here. Just old cast irons. I'll take them and clean them up. Quick collect them. I don't resell them.
theirs are pretty cheap prices
Yeah,
for
yeah.
what brand they are. They're all Australia, it looks like.
Dad, look at this. A new chip.
Ready.
Have a good day. Completely unprofited today. I think we just made something here. That will end up on Jess's eBay, so that's what I've learned to do here lately, because usually I'm kind of busy and so I don't pick as much stuff. Now I pick for Jess's eBay because she needs more stuff. So now I've expanded my horizons, helped get myself out of my spoiled comfort zone. These are some knockoff Uggs right here.
Brand new. I want. Honestly. I don't need. I don't need that.
Those are.
Thank you.
All these big scissors.
How much are they?
10 a piece.
10 apiece.
There's more over there. Yeah. Hey, Mom. Mom and Dad. Can we
That right
put
there's
up
from the
there?
dishwasher. Those two.
How much is all four of those?
35.
I'll take them. I'm just gonna put them in my cart real quick. Whoa. Thank you. All right, so we bought something else for Jess's eBay. A set of 4 Pyrex. They're a little scuffed on the side, and I didn't even look them up. I'm pretty sure those are valuable. I'll bring them back to the warehouse. And I got the 2 Wagners.
That's for you. That's for me. I paid for both my fucking lockers right there. I know. I know it's good for you. What's up, Mr. Mike?
What's up, sir?
Good morning. Good morning.
What are you doing?
What'd you do on those pods?
They're all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like pretty good pods.
If you like 150 boxes of VCR tapes,
Oh, fuck.
you got some Jeremy Scotts. Look at that. I paid $8,000. Damn, these were 11s. I would wear these. Frick my.
So saying.
These are my favorite shoemaker right here.
What? Adidas?
No, Jeremy Scott.
Oh, I don't know nothing about fucking Jeremy Scott.
They're not very valuable because he's very not sought
What's that
after.
other?
Huh?
What's that other?
They're tan. My first ever video with the safe and the cash, I'm wearing the wing shoes. They're Jeremy Scott's. They're my favorite style of shoe.
Oh my.
But those are too tight. I need an 11. Damn, I wish those were 11. A dead little morning. We're gonna go to the other side. We're gonna take a quick peek. Then we're gonna get out of here. At least we picked Jessica something, so. Squid Pro Rope.
Sports cards?
Huh?
Those are sports cards, right?
Do we got some?
Yeah.
I got, maybe. Let me see. Depends on what you got.
Oh, shit. Oh. cool one.
Yeah, this is not quite the style I'm looking for.
What are you looking for?
Let me see what this one is here.
Okay.
Austin Hill. I'm looking for stuff like this, but I want like 100 of them. You know, like
Yeah, I got you. Right on.
I pay fair, but I'm looking for a lot of cards. I sell live on whatnot. A lot of these are kind of common.
Yeah. But there's some good ones here too, though. You kind of look through them, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like these are cool.
Yeah, they're all right. They're just not my style. I appreciate you showing me.
Yeah, right on, no problem. Them are cool.
Bagwell. No block. Yeah, those are cool.
Authenticated, whatever, I don't know, whatever.
Not quite my style.
All right, cool.
We're gonna carry on, like I was saying. They opened late today, like an hour late or so. And that always kills the flea market vibe. Just walking through and saying hello to everybody, it gives me cool vibes, like just reminiscing the days. Because like I said, when I drove up in here 15 years ago, this was my business. This is where I lived for these Sundays, because this is where I made my most money, and I double down wherever the money comes in. And so it's a lot different, but still the same. A lot of people hold on to stuff that will never become valuable. It's kind of unique. I like to sit back and study the environment. A lot of people here sell the same product. They sell the same stuff they couldn't sell last week, etc., etc., etc. My old friend who doesn't talk to me no more.
That's not true.
Ever since we talked politics, we never talked
Why
again.
do you think that?
I'm just kidding.
Get out of here.
Much just looking.
When you bring them 70s, 60s items.
The shirts.
Uh-huh.
I'm thinking about writing those all in one lot.
Oh, okay. It's not really my thing, but it's cool though.
Yeah, I mean, I know they're not super valuable, but they are really unique, you know?
I know people that they're valuable too. You know what I mean? So yeah,
I'm thinking about doing them in like 1 or 2 lots, because I need like beefy stuff for my next competition on Thursday. So I'm thinking doing like just like 2 lots of those shirts.
Okay, what day you say you're gonna?
Break all the way off.
Cheeseburger, will you take $5 for this?
Handle bent.
No, I need digging money.
No, you won't take $5 for this?
Oh, but you can.
No?
The whole truck.
$5 for that?
What you drink last night?
I don't have that good of a brim.
A little bit of water.
What you drink last night?
I gotta try, you know.
The video was running.
Yeah, how much are all these kind right here? These ones, the tailor-mades.
Give me like this, 150. Everything.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Da, 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 da. I would buy them for 25 and gamble if I can get 100 on Facebook Marketplace, but I sure would not pay that. I got a lot to do today. I got a big, huge giveaway train on Whatnot hosted by me. I started off, I ended 24 channels, 15-minute windows, help everybody grow. I basically raid into them, and then they continue on all day. I gotta go film this next version, or I shouldn't say version, I gotta go film the next section of the pods, and I got a sports card show at 5 today, and the warehouse is a mess, and yes. All right guys, she's gone out of our life. There she goes. And more importantly, we made room in the warehouse, guys. We got 6 feet to work right there. Look at that. Let's go.